Happy Ganesh Chaturthi to everyone. On this special occasion, let's prepare Ukadiche Modak, the traditional steamed sweet that's considered Lord Ganesha's favorite. Let's first prepare the sweet coconut filling. Heat 1 tablespoon of ghee in a pan. Add grated fresh coconut. Make sure to remove the dark skin before grating so the filling looks uniform and clean. Cook on low to medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes. The goal is to dry out the excess moisture, but do not let the coconut brown. Now add half teaspoon of cardamom powder and a tiny pinch of freshly grated nutmeg for the flavor. These two spices will give the modak its authentic festive aroma. Then add ghee for the sweetness. You can use sugarcane jaggery or any other type you prefer. Stir on low heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Do not overcook. The jaggery should soften and coat the coconut but not melt into a syrup. Turn off the heat and keep stirring for a minute so the mixture cools evenly. Transfer the filling to a plate and set aside for now. Next, let's prepare the dough for the outer layer. In a pan, bring 1 cup of water to a boil. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee and a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. Stir in 1 cup of rice flour while mixing continuously to prevent lumps. Once the flour absorbs most of the water, add half cup more hot water gradually until there are no dry spots which will remain. Cover the pan tightly and let the dough steam in its own heat for 15 minutes. Plug the lid's vent hole if possible. Trap steam makes the rice flour fluffy. Transfer the steamed dough to a plate. It will be hot, so use a small katori to knead it first. Once cool enough to touch, add a small dollop of ghee and knead it with your hands for 8 to 10 minutes until smooth and non-sticky. To taste the dough if it's ready, take a small piece, flatten it and check for cracks. If crack appears, knead for 2 to 3 minutes more. Keep the dough covered so it doesn't dry out. Next, to shape the modaks, we will use a mold. Grease the inside of the modak mold with ghee. Close the mold and press a small portion of dough along the inner walls, leaving space in the center. Fill the cavity with coconut jaggery mixture. Seal with another thin layer of dough and remove the excess from the edges. Gently open the mold and release the modak. Continue until all are shaped. With the above quantities, you should get about 20 modaks. Next, we will steam our modaks. For this, prepare a steamer and line the base with a banana leaf to prevent sticking. You can also use turmeric leaf or a muslin cloth. Arrange the modaks on the leaf, leaving space between them. Cover and steam on medium heat for 12 to 15 minutes. Once cooked, the modaks will turn slightly translucent. Place the warm modaks on a plate as an offering to Lord Ganesh or enjoy them fresh with the family. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi and happy cooking!